Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I am on today with you to do another sneak peek at Dawn's brand new card kit release, which is getting released on the 1st of July, and it's called Seaside Treasures. So I'm making two cards. So you do get the cards in the card kit as always, and they measure just over 4 by just over 5 3/4. Yeah, all right. So what am I doing? I've been doing a little bit of scene building with the papers. The papers are absolutely brilliant. So yeah. And you get these washi stickers. So all I've done is I've cut them out because if I'd have left them, I'd forget what I was actually using. So I have got these gorgeous little bits, and I'm gonna build a scene. So I've already cut my paper to size, and it's gorgeous paper. So I've used this bit in the middle, and it's got starfish on it, so it looked a little bit like sand, so I thought I'd use it. And then we've got some grass, so we're not quite on the beach, and we got this lovely sky with clouds paper on it. So yeah, I'm gonna stick it down. So here we go. I love this kit. I haven't stopped playing with it since I actually opened it. I did have it for a while, but was told don't touch it till it's time to touch it. So I didn't. And then I thought, it's time to touch it now. It's time that I got to playing with it. So I'm playing with it. And I'm doing it like a side fold, like a landscape, because I just thought it looked a little better. And to get my sun, I haven't got a little circle punch, so all I've done is used one of the stickers. You get the stickers. Where's the stickers? Have I put them away? I think I might. Oh, doggy's about. I think I might have put them away, you know. Yeah, you get like little round stickers with fishies on and jellyfish and seashells. So I thought I would stick it on there, turn it over, colour it in, and I've got my sun. So that's what I'm using. So I'm going to stick my sun up here in the sky. It's a nice, bright, summery sun. And that's what this paper pack is all about. So we have these washies, and I can't get the sticker bit off, can I? There we go. Are you going to come off in one go? Or are you going to rip? Try not to be too heavy-handed. Oh, there we go. And this is just gonna stick in my sky. So we have that. Just gonna try and push it on a little bit more. So we have that. Oh, that's beautiful. And then we have a tent for camping. I've never been camping, ever. I don't think I'd like it. I like to be comfortable. I don't like the thought of sleeping on the floor. No, not for me. I'd rather go in a caravan. Yeah, I like my luxury. And then we have a campfire. Carbon, there we are. They're coming off very easy. So we have a campfire right there, and then we have this parasol on a bench, but I'm not too sure whether or not I actually want to use it. I hope you can see my camera. I've had to move my camera around. I don't know if I want to use it. That's the thing. I mean, I could put it above, could put it there, couldn't I? Yeah, I think just use it, Claire. And it's just it's a little bit of a different card. I've never made a card like this before, like scene building. I've always tended to use like layering and things like that with a big focal point in the middle or at the side, but I've never done a scene build before. And I've got this, enjoy the moment, and I think in the sky or down here, there's nothing in the sky. I've got no little birdies or anything. I've got not a pigeon, a seagull. Oh, there's no little. Let me just have another quick look. So these are available in her shop. I mean, look at them, aren't they just lovely? Oh, I've got some birds there, but they're attached to a boat. I could cut them off, couldn't I? Just so there's something up here, that's all. Let's try and get them up first of all. Are you coming up for me? I think these are well stuck. There we go. So I just want the two little seagulls, two little birdies. There we go. Bent that round, I've curled it under. Right, and they're just gonna go in the middle, burnish that down a little bit. Let's use my nail. Don't think they're upside down, are they? I don't think so. Right, okay, so we've got birds, and then I'm gonna stick my sentiment down. And there we go. Sorry I'm not more lively. I'm normally more lively than this, but it's been a long day. I think I've had too much sun because it's night time now. I mean, the sun's still out, and it's going to be, isn't it, because it's summer. But yeah, it's just been a long day for me. But I am excited to be playing with this card kit. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm well pleased with that. I like that a lot. I'm not going to put any jemmies or sequins on or anything. I quite like that. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this, but I like that a lot. Okay, so that's the first card finished. Now there's this card, and this card is a fun card. I think it's a fun card anyway. You do get coloured card in with the card kit. So I've took some of the orange card, and you also get some tulle. Let me just see if I can show you. Here we go. Some of this yellow tulle here. And I wanted to use it on something, but wasn't too sure what I was going to do with it. And it looks quite nice on there like that. I've got some more of that starfish paper, and that is going to go on there like that. So I'm going to stick this down, move the card out the way for a minute, and we'll put everything on. Put this bit on anyway, and then stick it on the card and go from there. So I haven't got placements for anything, so yeah. So where do I want it? I think I'm going to put it a bit lower down than what I was going to originally. Does it hang over at all? A little bit. Yeah, I'm looking forward to actually going to bed tonight. And I think I'm going to sleep very nicely for a change. Well, I hope anyway. I don't sleep well anyway. Yeah, insomnia. Anyway, how are you all doing? How is your day going? How has your day been? What have you been up to? I like to hear, and I'm nosy. So, yeah. Okay, try and get that on as straight as I possibly can. Okay, so that is what we've got. I've got my sentiment. It says, be amazing today. So I've got all of my little bits, and these are from the stickers as well, and I've just fussy cut around them. And these bits are from the ephemera pack that you get, and I just cut them out. I fussy cut them because they all come in squares like this, but I thought I need to fussy cut them out. And you also get these flowers, and they all come with the leaves on, but I didn't want leaves on one of them, so I've cut it out. And a wooden bit as well. So I'm just going to start sticking stuff down. Otherwise this video will be a long video, and I don't want to do a long video. No. So that is going to go there like that, and then I have got this. Let me just see. Hope you can see this. How do I want it? Like that. Like that. Or like that. I think like that. Yeah. Stick that down. More glue. That like that. Flowers are absolutely gorgeous. And then I've got the starfish, which I'm just going to dot about, and then I have my gorgeous little hermit crabs are there, so I'm going to put one down there and put one there, and then I've got this wooden shell, and yeah, I just want to make like a little menagerie, a little bit of a mix of things. I like throwing everything at my projects, what I do. I just think it's fun, and you've got to have fun, haven't you, when you're crafting? Otherwise, what is the point? If it's not fun, don't do it. I always have fun when I'm doing my cards. Stick this down, put the shell just there, and I know that will stick. Voila. I need to put more glue on because of the tool. Right, just there, like that. Then I have got my sentiment, which I'm going to put at the top, like this. So just there. Yeah, stick, and then I've got some of the sequins that I'm going to put on. So I put a blob there, going to put a blob there, a blob there, a blob there. I'm putting 5 on, so, and a blob there. So I've got these whitish ones. Like that, so 3 of them, yeah, 1 there, and then I've got the gold ones. That's not sticking, that is it? And the last one, no, it's not sticking because of the tool. It will stick eventually, just needs a little bit of coaxing. Stay on my card. Doing a video. Oh, okay, fine. Just my daughter wanting something. But I'm finished now anyway, so I can go and see what she wanted. Right, okay, So there we go. There are my 2 cards. Very different, very, very different. I've got to say, I love them. I really do. I love them both in different ways as well. But there we go. There are my 2 cards that I have made on a sneak peek video. My mat wasn't straight. For the Seaside Treasures, which will be released on the 1st of July on her shops, on her Etsy and her online shop at ShinySilverTreasuresCrafts.com. And I've also got to tell you that she has got, well, from the 1st of July, she has got a 30% off all Christmas items in both shops, like the whole range of the Christmas items. So there's 30% off, and the code that you need to use is Xmas30, and the Xmas is all in block capitals and the number 30, but it will be in the description box below. So please check it out. Also, go and look at what the other design team members have done, because they've been working brilliantly with this kit. I'm so looking forward to watching all their videos and seeing their posts. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna go and relax for a little bit before I toddle off to bed, because I am very tired. Okay. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.